Hey Yogi, I heard about something called DP-750, do you know what that is?
Yeah, DP-750 is a new certification from Microsoft. It focuses on Databricks for data engineering.
Databricks? I've heard the name but not sure what it actually does.
Think of Azure Databricks as a powerful platform where you can process huge amounts of data very fast using Apache Spark.
So, like a database?
Not exactly. It's more than that. It helps you clean data, transform it, and even build machine learning models, all in one place.
Oh okay, sounds like all-in-one tool.
Exactly. And it runs on Microsoft Azure, so you don't need to manage servers.
Nice. Then what does DP-750 test?
DP-750 tests your skills in setting up Databricks, working with data pipelines, managing clusters, and handling real-world data engineering tasks.
Is it good for beginners?
If you know basics of SQL and data concepts, then yes. It's actually a great certification to enter the data engineering field.
Sounds interesting, is it in demand?
Very high demand. Companies are heavily using Azure Databricks for big data and analytics.
Okay, I think I should start learning this.
Definitely. And in the next video, I'll show you how to set up Azure Databricks step by step.
Perfect, I'm excited for that. I have subscribed your channel and will wait for your next video. Guys, if you also want to learn Databricks and crack DP-750 step by step, then make sure you subscribe to the Yogesh Tech Code channel. Yogi explains concepts in such a simple and practical way, you'll actually enjoy learning. And don't forget to share this with your friends who are interested in data engineering. Let's learn together.